मैडम की सिदा मोई की सामू की एक नंबर डॉक्टर सिंह तो लई हबदी सिदा टॉर्चर ओरगा पुरक सामू सिंह यावी मखों चेक पे यावी नत्रगा मोई सफर जामना ओइबा यावी सामू सिंह से मयांग कांगना याम फजना अखोइगी नारुरगा हगोलकपा अदुदगी थिंगलुबा लेंचलुबा नत्रगा ई बा दुमाइना मयाम याव याबा असे पुरकपा मतमदुदा अदुना माइ सिदा लायंग कांदा डॉक्टर सिंह जी मपान से मैमना लाप यावी अदु लायंग सिदा फहलनी फहलकान मासे रेस्क्यू तौबगी माकी कनो से थीम से याम फजना फजबा हाइतारे लायंग बक्सी क्यामु जामना फजना लायंग भी हाइसे मपान की डॉक्टर मैम सु यावरी जी एब्रोटिक डॉक्टर मैम यावरी थाई की डॉक्टर मैम सु यावरी अदु मैडम की डॉक्टर सिंह से कनो तौरकान मोगी लायंग बा खोटबा लोइना तौरकान अदे पार्क सिदा थादोंना थमदोइनेबा मैडम का उना गए तौरी मैडम का उना बस ये एकदम हाजी अदम क्या नाम है फॉर्मल और नदम थांग लगे तुम मटिक अमा से ये मैडम नी मैडम से ये एलिफेंट नेचर पार्क के क्या नाम है ओनर ने है बता रहे मैं हमने तुम शेयर तो जरा के मैडम tell something about you actually.
Hello, I work for rescue elephant here, and here is the place home for over 120 elephant right now. And we have I think altogether with other animals is about 5,000 animals now. We have cat and dog. The population of the animals increased during the COVID crisis because everyone dumped the animal into our project. So we don't have just only one project now. We have a project in Laos, Cambodia, and we are opening also in West Bengal. Soon, next month, I'm going to Nepal to see that if we can support local people there to create a sanctuary.
Okay.
But maybe in the future, we will go and help Bangladesh to create the first sanctuary in Bangladesh.
Okay, we hope so, and nice to meet you, madam, after so long time. In the COVID pandemic, how you survive the so many elephants in here, like 120, right? Like 120 elephant over there, and so many animal also, other animal also.
During COVID pandemic, we have normally our park here be sustainable by tourist visit. In every day that before COVID, we have about between 150 to 200 people a day. That is to bring the income to feed the park. But during pandemic, we have zero. We have zero income, but we have more animals. That the number of animals increased because people dump animals to our gate. How can we survive? This is a tough question because we many. I think more than 50% of the elephant camp in Thailand that they have to close because they can carry on for many budget and everything because when you stay in zero income but 100% elephants still eat, elephants still sick, more animal coming, this is a tough question. So somehow that is I decide that is to bring ourselves to survive. As we work for conservation, we have friends from around the world know about that and they help us, they support us by that as well. Many Thai people they start to help us for the financial. Some of them donate $1, $2 to us. Some of the big corporation help us in like a 1 million Thai baht. So that is some that we can survive, and we have everyone put their hand and join hand that to put money together to help us.
Yeah, this is a story about the COVID pandemic. Between the COVID pandemic, the situation is like that. It's a very heart-touching and history from the madam because Thailand have a lot of elephant and a lot of elephant are suffering in the COVID situation. So, madam is helping and is still helping to them. And this is only for not only for madam. This is. All about the Thailand who are run the elephant camp also. She also helped to them. Story is the correct act of the actually mana hired duni haji cano hatanate Thailand hatanate mana the Paris maki project ladies elephant sanctuary ladies akoigi Nepal the jama hangore and hired Cambodia Manaki country Cambodia Laos the sulaire adu ate suma hangaktori hangdori ba akoigi elephant sanctuary mayam se mana tawningi sina akoigi jamna torture oiba akoigi cano tawba the shock ba leina akoigi cano tawba shock na leiba na leiba elephant sing je ma survive tawra pura kanda ma se cano tawbune ba hajiki sanctuary sita thambiraga ma ki take care tawbi ba haiba tar adu madam ga share tawbagi cano do mayam da thamgre hajik ai madam ga thokani thokanda ma ki elephant khara ai explore tawna ba tawrak wari masa do bai dum ai sajarake mayam da Yeah,
I
okay.
will show you around and then I will wait you. I will be there.
Okay, no
Because
problem.
if I go, I can't come back. I have a meeting. Start meeting.
Okay. So what's your name?
Home.
Home.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Paulus.
Palas.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Palas.
Nice to meet you.
Happy to see the.
So how long you live? You
I'm
have it
working here
here?
for now is 10 months.
10 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Last time I visited in here already. It's around like 6 or 7 years ago.
Oh.
Yeah. Where is the blind one?
This one. This one. Yeah. She blind, and another one is on the back side over there.
Okay.
And long side there. This one is her name is Lucky.
Okay. This one is two sides blind, right?
Yeah, two side blind.
Okay. And its name is
Jockey.
Jockey. Only this is a long time living here.
Yeah,
right?
living here a long time.
Yeah.
From the start, they start from here about 9 elephants, right?
Yeah.
This one of the 9.
One of them. Yeah. Asigi kanose, asigi Samu mamit animaram ude, ado sigina donar punamakta yami, asida lady punamaxidagi, ado donar punamakta yami sina, ado si mamna actually starting degi, akogi madam na hauki basigi park si hausi, akogi history si punamakta itongale, my history si, nakanani mag blind ni makse, elephant mapandu ka magna bani. Si family amta gi machani to family amta gi macha oi bana moi si sida punna leiram bane ba sigi ukhong makha sida ada ukhong makha da leiram badagi moi si karino khangde aina chat manak ta chalu ba kanda moi si punna mukta moi serial oina chat khre sonda karino thi ba chakre ba adu thi ba si kona aina jeng kanda moi da hangye ba kari moi si amukta punna amam tawraga chakri no aise ado punna lepam badagi ado kona aina hangyeng bada moi sidagi motorcycle ma chakhiba staff magi sigi turen mapan sida tawraga motorcycle ma chakhiba motorcycle sida moi si chana ba pi ba nupa ne ba ado chana ba pi ba nupa se marak ta cake ka sushi ma ga pi ba cake si kamai se me ba da ko gi fruits me am se fajan tawna moi si loishallaga sembiraga mogi damakta cake si sema lore adi moi si kamaina kawrak ke jengsi asida semiba mogi staff sing na sema kanda haje cake si ready tong lore bani na मोयना लेना खर थापी आदा लेबनी अजी मोयसी कमायना कौगे जिंगसी कौरकांदा लाकपगे मौंगसे मयाम तदम उचेरके
ดอกไม้ทองจันทร์มาบัวทองมาเร็วของฟ้าใหม่ครับตามมาด้วยฟ้าใสดอกไม้นะครับดอกเงินบัวทองแล้วก็ทองจันทร์ครับโดยเค้กก้อนนี้ครับผมขอขอบพระคุณไปยังบริษัทสยามแมคโครนะครับในจังหวัดเชียงใหม่ทั้ง3 สาขาแก้วมังกรนะครับผมท่านขอบคุณไหมครับขอขอบพระคุณไปยังคณะผู้บริหารครับผมบริษัทสยามแมคโครทั้ง3 สาขาของจังหวัดเชียงใหม่ครับรวมไปถึงพนักงานนะครับผมทุกแผนกทุกฝ่าย
เสียเลยบ่เบบี้เลฟนสิอันนี้สิดาอามาหัตนี่มากีอาชวนดาลับน่าจะคริสมากีมาจานี่ada shonda lei sina agi ada elephant malai maki machan so ani si kyam jamna cute no yo koi samu gi masa do mana cute atai lei te ai adu achum bani kyam jamna cute no eng bio Take a picture now. Very cute. มาจ้ามันคืออะไรเนี่ยเด้อgo banana okay go don't come okay let's go now Lore visit Lore explore the whole Lore experience mayam phange thank you experience mayam phange hadik chalani ada rest stop hom da
ต้องหลังนี้หรอกครับอ๋อ you can jump this way สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
My
too.
name is Nala. I'm the
Okay.
cat's manager.
Okay.
So this is the cat kingdom. Huh?
How many cat in here?
Okay, so the information is we have about 2,000 cats in total.
Okay.
We don't have exact number yet because we do have the cat that passed away, the cat that sometimes they just jump right in, and we try our best. We will do counting by
Okay.
this September.
Okay.
Do you want pictures of them running to you?
Yeah, no problem.
I
Yeah.
can. Actually, just call
Sure,
them.
sure,
They'll
sure.
come.
She's calling the cat and cat are running to her. Just see.
左手，左手，มานี่มาเอาใหม่จ้ะขึ้นไหมเฮ้ยเอ็น the evening like this, right after the dinner time, we feed them 2 times a day.
Okay.
8 in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So this is the time, if I call them, they will come. Because it's like, they think that I'm going to play. They come out. Which we can do play with them. Hello, hello, they are very cuddly. If you want to lift them up, you can. Let me show you. Ooh, no, not that one. Like that. If they are happy, they'll stay right into your arm. They will not do anything. You can play with them. Be happy. Like that.
It's very amazing.
Yeah. But if they were not happy, they're kind of wiggly and you should let them go. We also have Maine Coon cat that are from illegal farm or cat cafe.
Yeah.
We have a couple of them. We also have a Persia cat over there.
Yeah, it's very nice. The fine conversation, and it's very helpful for me also. I want to explore the whole history in the YouTube also. I'm a YouTuber, so one kind of awareness also I give to the audience.
And another one is, I would say to a lot of people is, please adopt them, but do not shop for them.
Yeah.
Do not buy your pets. And pets is not a good Christmas gift, if I can say that. For like holiday gift, it's not a very good idea. In Christian country, I would say that the number of kittens and puppy has been dumped after the Christmas is highest like all the time. It's like in January, February, that is the highest time that people dump their kittens.
Yeah, because
they get
of
it
the
as
gift.
Christmas, as
Yeah,
a gift,
yeah.
or like birthday present.
Yeah.
So like do not shop for them, try to adopt for them if you're not sure that you can take responsibilities or not. In a lot of country have a foster program. Try that first so you know that you're capable to help animal or not.
Yeah.
That's what
That's
what we try
a
to
good
do.
message.
Another cat kingdom I can show you.
Sure.
Here.
ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯩ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ 2000 ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ 2000ꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯤꯡꯗꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯈꯠꯅꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯗꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯗꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯑꯣꯄꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ 2000 ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯤꯡꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯥꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯋꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ
That cat, for me, have a special place in my heart. So they always be like that. Hai khao. This one is egg white. Egg white has also not very good with other cats, but very good with humans. See? It takes some time. It's not like we try to put the bad one together, but when you have this amount of cat, it can happen. We try our best to stop the fight and we try our best to feed them enough that they don't have to fight for food, which we feed them 2 times a day, 8 in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay.
So they don't fight for food. We have dry food 24/7.
Okay.
But they still fight for the area and attention.
Haji Lori, Jalani, Canada, Chiang Mai, back to the Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, the Jalaganda, Hayangi program was set toge. I don't see the other tour, serious Laurani. Hayang trip keep planning much toge, Hayang Kadai chat payay, Adu, Hayang planning Taurani, planning Tauraga, Hayang Monga explore to Jarake. Ado Haji Lady Ba, Nature Park to get away at the Tony, where it starts to Taure. Let's go.